Direct replacement abrasive belt assortment for the Ken Onion Edition Work Sharp Knife Tool Sharpener, WSKTS-KO, only. Includes P120 Extra Coarse X65 Coarse X22 Medium X4 Fine 6000 Extra Fine belts. Belts are 3/4 X12, except 6000 micromesh, which is 1/2 X12, and do not fit any other work sharp tools or accessories. Belts included, P120 Extra Coarse Grit 3/4 X12 X65 Coarse Grit, P220 Equivalent, 3/4 X12 X22 Medium Grit, P1000 Equivalent, 3/4 X12 X4 Fine Grit, P3000 Equivalent, 3/4 X12 6000 Extra Fine Grit, 1/2 X12. Premium grade, engineered abrasives are long-lasting and designed for knife and tool sharpening and grinding applications. Belts are manufactured in the USA by Norton Abrasives for work sharp. Top reviews from the United States. Product is as advertised, shipped and arrived promptly. Work sharp Ken Onion Sharpener replacement belts are exact fit for the tool. Shipping was prompt.